Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to Las Vegas. We begin today on West Flamingo Road, just outside the Gold Coast Hotel and Casino. Across the street stands the Palm Casino Resort, two landmarks that face each other across one of Las Vegas' most traveled roads. This is the starting point of our Las Vegas journey. Over the coming weeks on Baz Travels, we'll walk through every major casino in Las Vegas, exploring shopping areas, entertainment venues, and the casino floors themselves. Each visit will show a different side of the city and how its resorts continue to reinvent what Las Vegas means. Before we move on, it's worth remembering how this place began. The name Las Vegas comes from the Spanish for the meadows, given by the explorers who found natural springs here long before the city was built. In 1905, the area became a railway stop between Salt Lake City and Los Angeles, and that small settlement would eventually grow into a desert metropolis. The 1930s brought the Hoover Dam project, thousands of workers, new roads, and steady electricity. Around the same time, Nevada legalized gambling, and downtown Las Vegas saw its first casinos appear along Fremont Street. Those early developments laid the groundwork for the modern strip that would rise a few decades later. By the 1940s and 50s, resort-style casinos like El Rancho Vegas and the Flamingo introduced something entirely new: hotels that combine luxury, entertainment, and gaming under one roof. Over the years that followed, Las Vegas grew through constant reinvention, from neon-lit lounges to themed mega-resorts, from celebrity shows to world-class arenas. Back here on West Flamingo, you can see two sides of that story. The Gold Coast opened in 1986 as a locals casino, smaller, focused on the regular guests and good value. The Palms opened in 2001 with a completely different energy: modern design, nightlife, and high-profile events. Side by side, they capture how Las Vegas has always balanced community and spectacle. As we walk further along West Flamingo, we'll stay away from the strip for now. This area shows a different view of the city, one that most visitors never really notice. It's where the locals work, where smaller hotels still thrive, and where the city's rhythm continues away from main lights. Each direction from here leads to another layer of Las Vegas, and in the days ahead we'll see them all, from legendary resorts to modern icons. But it all begins here, opposite the Palms, outside the Gold Coast, where the past and present sit across the same road. So as we start this new chapter on Baz Travels, join me for a walk through Las Vegas, one resort at a time, one story at a time, all filmed in immersive 3D 8K VR180.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.